Hey guys, it's Kodo Shark. Today we're going to be learning how to make a rock, paper, scissors game. So first you gotta remix this starter project. I'll put in the description. It gives you like all the sprites, like all the resources you need. Okay. Now, with the rock, I have to start when green flag is clicked. Let's make a variable called, I'll just call it 1 for now. I just don't need it. I'm not gonna just like make it specific, but you can name this variable like whatever you want. This is gonna be the variable that's gonna choose that like which one you're gonna choose. So we're gonna be able to set it from rock, paper, or scissors. You put show, then click, switch costume. This, please just don't mind the costume names. I found these on the internet. So yeah. And also, the rock size starting will be 25, paper 30, and the scissors also 30. Okay, so right now, next we're gonna put in a forever loop, and then if not or equal, and then we'll put in our variable rock or 0. This is what it's saying. If it is not rock and it is not 1, then it will not be the rock, so then we'll have to hide it. And I accidentally said my variable, but I meant to say 1. So then we do hide, and then stop this script. It's important. You gotta do stop this script, or else if you do all, then it's gonna end the whole thing. And then you drag and drop this into these two, and then you just add this to 0, change this to paper, finally the same thing for scissors. Oh yeah, also we need to switch the costume. Good thing I realized that. So we need to, yep, no, program the rock a little bit more. If, and then we need to and touching the mouse pointer, the mouse down. This part will be the part it senses which one you chose. So either rock, paper, or scissors. So since this one is the rock sprite, we're gonna need to set the variable 1 to rock. Then we gotta wait 1 second for the thing to react. And then we gotta broadcast our message 1. You can name whatever message, but I'm just getting kind of lazy, so I don't want to do it. And then you gotta wait 2 seconds. Then you gotta switch to cause you do paper clipboard X, L, wait 1 second. Then scissors stationary, wait 1 more second, and then this 1603206. Then stop the script. Can drag these over, and when it starts to wiggle, that means it will be added. But don't forget, you also need to let go. We just need to change this and send out to paper. Then we gotta make it to go to there. Wait 1 second. Oops, I'll switch it to this. Put it back there and change this to paper clipper X. Now same thing for the scissors to change that a bit. Wait, did I change this paper? Yep, I did. Okay. Yeah. Scissors. Change this scissors. Wait 1 second. Message 1. Go to this. Put this around. Paper. And then this. Just. Oh, scissors. So technically you don't need these two, but I'm gonna keep it like this. You don't need to add this thing right here, so. And now, be sure, so if you click the other two. Yes, let's make this hide for now. So if we do this, scissors, look up raw, paper, scissors, and then choose the one. And then we haven't coded this yet, so now let's code this. So first, got costume 1, and then when I receive message 1, yeah, you gotta wait 1 second. Switch to costume 2. We can duplicate that. 3, 4, 5. Then wait 1 second. Now, if we test it, let's choose scissors, rock, paper, scissors. Look. Okay, yeah. Let's test all of them just to see if they're good. Scissors. Okay. Now, let's go. We've got to go to the AI now. So press your guidance. So when Grand Flag is clicked, you got to go to this position. And you gotta hide. Only when they receive message 1, they're gonna show. Switch to costume 2. Wait 2 seconds. Wait 1 second, and then switch to costume 1. Wait 1 second. And then switch to costume. We're gonna make it pick random from 1 to 3. So that's why, like, these are named 1, 2, 3. So it'll pick random. Wait 2 seconds. And then now this is the part where it starts, like, see if you won or if you lost. So now, put in an if statement, and like I said, I want to be kind of lazy. Just use 1. And also you can just delete that variable and change it whatever you want. Equal. Oh, not bad. Costume number people. 3. You're gonna broadcast message 2, which means the AI 1. I'm gonna name it 2. Then we're gonna stop them. Point that out. Duplicate that. One more time. Now we gotta change this to paper. 1, 2, scissors. Oh, I spelled scissors wrong. There we go. Now this is for you lose. And now we gotta duplicate this one more time and create another situation if you win. Name this message. Yeah. Wait, I mean, this one is if you tie. So, paper up. 3. Scissors are 1. Oh, no, that's wrong. And then if it's go through all in that, that means you have 1. So then let's call that message 4. And then we're gonna stop them. Oops. If I go to this sprite, that's a little bit more. When I receive 2, you can switch costume 7. That's the you lose. When I receive 3, costume 8, which is a tie. And then 4, that means you won. So, costumes 6. Now, if you try to do it, it'll differentiate. Let's try rock this time. Huh? Scissors. What are the odds? Let's try scissors this time then. Maybe we won't tie. Yeah. Yeah, this time we lost. But anyway, yeah. So this is how you guys make a rock, paper, scissors game. And I might make up a series where you can do 2-player instead of going against an AI, and maybe a 3-player. And also, thank you guys all for the 200 subscribers, and Colo Shark out.